Hi! In this video, we will talk about event planning for student organizations and how to reserve space on campus for your organization's events.
This flowchart shows the steps for the student organization event planning process. Once a student organization has submitted their event application through OrgSync, at least 4 weeks prior to their event, they will be contacted by the events coordinator in the Office of Student Involvement and Leadership. Not all student organizations and their events will require a pre-event meeting, but for organizations with large programming, a pre-event must occur to discuss logistics and setup. On the day of the event, the organization will be responsible for setup, admission, and execution of the event.
Student organizations that are planning events that would like to reserve space, reserve table space, and meeting times will need to submit a space reservation form through OrgSync in their organization's portal. They can access the forms by going to the Events tab on the tab bar in the organization's portal. After you click on the Events tab, you will see a green button labeled Create an Event. Portal administrators and other students have access to creating events will be able to select the button to start the organization's reservation form for their event.
Once you've started the event request form, it will ask you general event information, such as name, category or type of event, description, and time and location. You will also be able to upload any flyer or picture that may be associated with the event that you're registering.
In this event request form, you will also identify and set up who will be able to have access to this event, as well as see the event.
You will have the option to select to have your event added to the Office of Student Involvement and Leadership's Master Calendar. The Master Calendar will display various organizations' events that are happening throughout the academic year.
During the event form application, you will need to submit the primary contacts information for the event.
You will also need to submit the date and time of the event that your organization is hosting. In the event request form, you will need to specify the type of space you would like to reserve, such as the particular building your event is going to be hosted. Remember that all events that are requesting space should be submitted 28 days prior to the date of the event. You must also identify the audience for your event, such as students and/or alumni. Please select the correct information that pertains to your student organization's event.
Moving on, your organization will need to specify the specific event information, such as if there will be a performer, vendor, or if admission is going to be charged for your organization's event.
Depending on the event space that your organization is hosting, a set of questions in this application will apply to you, or you will need to skip. The question before was for student union reservation requests only.
This portion of the event request form document pertains to an organization that is requesting space. This only applies to events that are outdoors.
On this page of the event request form, you will be prompted to an important message. The message states, "You were prompted to this screen because there is important information you need to know about your event. Please read the information below and follow the steps needed to make sure that you are in compliance with our reservation process." The following information below the message contains information on outside catering, WXUT, services, contracts, admission, bonfires.
On the final page of the event request form, your student organization will see a message informing your organization how to correctly cancel an event and whom to contact, as well as information regarding reservations through the following facilities: residence halls, Human Education Center, and the Recreation Center.
Once you have finished filling out the proper information on the event request form, you will continue to this last portion of the screen to successfully submit your request form. After you've selected Finish, you will see a green bar at the top of your page. This will signify that your request form has been sent to the right people. After you have successfully submitted your event request form and your organization would like to update, change any detail or specific event, please contact the Office of Student Involvement and Leadership.